Can we record calls on Telegram? Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn if we can record calls on Telegram or not. So let's just dive right into the video and find out if we can do it or not. So when we head over to someone's chat and if we call them, basically if you're looking to record off for that call, so unfortunately Telegram has not provided us with the direct feature. So if you want to record the call, the only way is using an alternative call recorder. So you can go to your available Play Store if you're on Android. After that, use these applications which are call recorder and different options available. You can use these applications instead and install it. After that, set it up, and once that is done, you can go ahead and call someone on Telegram, and when you do that, it should record the call. So for now, that is only the way possible. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.